Hi everyone, my name is Brianna and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a video creator and social media strategist, and I post videos on how to take your content on social media to the next level. Let's discuss the age-old topic, TikTok videos versus Instagram Reels. Just kidding about the age-old. Anyways, first question, is there a difference, and if so, what is it? Basic answer, yes, there is a difference between TikTok videos and Instagram Reels. And that's what we're going to be talking about today. Let's discuss both of the platforms briefly, and then I'll go into why they are different. I'll be showing the two differences using a very complex diagram, one that you probably learned at the age of 8, the Venn diagram. First, let's do TikTok. What makes TikTok any more special or different than Instagram? It is a very casual platform. The types of content featured on TikTok are more relatable, funny / humorous. They aren't as salesy, and if anything, the brands on TikTok really put an emphasis on immersing themselves in the TikTok culture. And by this, I mean they're a little bit unhinged. On TikTok, there's not really a focus on appearance as much as there is on Instagram. To be honest, most of the videos that end up going viral are because they have a sense of everydayness. I think I made that word up. Anyways, you get what I mean. And how does the algorithm work on TikTok? Well, it prioritizes how long people engage with your content and watch your content, the hashtags you use, the effects that you use and tools that you use. That's when the little link will come up on TikTok. And the most important thing is the trending sounds that you end up using. The audiences that are formed on TikTok are more young, experimental. They have a very certain humor that goes into the videos that they make. So if you're new to TikTok, it might take a little getting used to. And currently, there is more of an opportunity to actually build a community on TikTok over Instagram. The tone used in most of the TikTok videos is very casual. It's almost as if you're their friend. And I just want to point out that if you're a business and you have a content creator who is approaching your video more salesy, or like a sponsored video more salesy, people can see through that. So you wanna make sure whatever video that you're producing for your business, or whatever video a content creator is producing for your business, seems as organic as possible. Videos that tend to go viral are obviously trending sounds, and if you apply it to a relatable niche or a relatable situation, those are the videos that tend to go viral. However, one very key difference between Instagram and TikTok, I noticed that there were more people sit-down style talking on TikTok than there were on Instagram. Those sit-down style talking videos have more of a chance to go viral on TikTok than they do on Instagram, which is pretty crazy. When I was scrolling through Instagram Reels, I really didn't see people talking to the camera, which was a very interesting thing to note. Now, let's move on to Instagram Reels. So what makes Reels different? Instagram has always started out as a very curated place, and the Reels are no different than this. The type of content is more perfected, more filtered, more quote unquote aesthetic. Think of these videos as an extension of a photo. Another thing I noticed about Instagram Reels is there's a lot more demonstrations done. So what I mean by that is like before and afters, and then the process of how it's being done. The Instagram algorithm prioritizes similar to how it prioritizes its photos. It prioritizes the hashtags that are used, the content interactions. It does prioritize the sound, but not to the same extent that TikTok does. I mean, TikTok's whole algorithm is really based on the sound being used back from even when it was called Musical.ly. When you look at Instagram as a whole now, you know, Reels are just one aspect of it, whereas that's TikTok's whole platform. And Reels have become an important way to grow on Instagram. The communities that are formed on Instagram are obviously a little bit older. Usually people who are on Instagram Reels have not necessarily moved over to TikTok yet, which I really don't understand why. Can you tell I'm a little biased? The communities who are on Instagram are also expecting more perfected content because that's just what has always been seen on the platform. The videos that tend to go viral are obviously the aesthetic, beautiful, more photo-like videos. And even the videos that are more talking are more curated and more perfect, which is very interesting because the videos that go viral on TikTok could just be someone sitting in their bed looking a mess and it ends up going viral. So while Instagram is this very curated and beautiful platform, TikTok is a little bit more unhinged. And that is really the biggest difference between the two. Some similarities is that they're obviously both filmed vertically. Duh. If you didn't know the dimensions, here they are. The second similarity is that they do prioritize value-driven content. So, I mean, this is more, educational tips, how-to, demonstrations. You get what I mean. This isn't all to say that you can't repurpose your TikToks on Instagram or your Instagram Reels on TikTok. Trust me, I don't know how you could be on both of these platforms and not repurpose some of your content. However, there are slightly different strategies that go into both of these platforms. And it is important to be aware of it so you don't get discouraged with your social media strategy. Honestly, there have been times where I've posted a TikTok and it flops, which are most of my TikToks, and then I repurpose it on Instagram and the same one got 11,000 views and 900 likes. I don't even understand how that was possible. It's the same content, but one was pushed out more on one platform. This is because there are key differences in the algorithm, the audience, and the type of content that is being posted on both of these platforms. Thanks for watching. If this helped you to differentiate them a little bit, hit that like button so I know that you enjoyed the video. Have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you next week.